So what did my uncle decide to send my mom? Well, he decided to go all out. Yep, that's an iPad. So my uncle just went ahead and shipped my mom a brand new iPad. Now this isn't anything crazy. It's an iPad. As you see, this is in the this is the gold color. And if you look on the back, I just have the personal info marked out there. But as you can see, this is a 6th generation 32 gigabyte iPad with Wi-Fi. So this is the base model from 2018. So this is not the most current iPad. This is the base 2018 iPad with the fact that only has 32 gigs of storage. I believe you can get this with 32, 64, and 128 gigs of storage. I'm not 100% sure. You know, I'm not really into iPads. I've never owned one before personally because I'm just not a tablet guy. But yeah. So yeah, the box is very plain. You got your Apple logos and so on and so forth. So I mean, look, there's not a lot to say. It's an iPad, but I felt this was just so cool. And so obviously, as time over the next few weeks, I'm going to have to train, along with my brother, I'm going to have to train my mom on how to use an iPad. But I mean, this is essentially a giant iPhone, although the OS is a little different. But so you know, it shouldn't be too hard. So I did remove the plastic wrap already. Now let's get to the unboxing portion, which this might be difficult. Unboxing with one hand is very difficult. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the camera down and we'll do this. So you can see both my hands. So the key of unboxing really any Apple product is just kind of hold it by the sides and just kind of try to shake the bottom out. Yeah. Apple has really good packaging. Like, you can't deny it. Apple has some fantastic packaging on their products. Like, the unboxing is just an experience in itself. Come on. There we go. Come on. There we go. Okay. And there's our iPad. So, yeah. This is definitely a base 2018 iPad, and you can definitely tell this is an older design. You got these big bezels, and your traditional home button at the bottom. It does have Touch ID, I believe, so it's not a super old-fashioned home button. It's the Touch ID home button. But this basic design is, you know, this basic design has been used for years and years. But man, just holding this in the hand, though, this thing is. Like, this thing feels awesome, I will say. Like, you cannot deny, iPads have some fantastic build quality. I mean, obviously, on the whole back, you have aluminum. Is this rose gold? This looks more like a rose gold than actual gold. It's hard to tell. Does it give the color on the back? Does it give the color on the back? No, it doesn't. Now you can see in terms of the port selection, you have your headphone jack up top along with the power button. On the right hand side you have your volume rockers, and then on the bottom you have your speakers and a lightning connector, and you got your Apple logo. So let's see what else is in the box. So here we got our designed by Apple in California. You got a little welcome guide here, as well as some other info, and of course your classic Apple stickers. Every Apple product has Apple stickers pretty much. And then here is the charger, the brick, which is a 12-watt power adapter. So more beefy than what comes on an iPhone. And then of course here you got your lightning cable. And that's about it. So I guess let's go ahead and do the unwrapping. That in itself is an experience too. And like I said, I've never used an iPad before in my life, and it's simply because I just find this a little inconvenient holding around this big old tablet like this. You know, at least for me personally, I think a laptop is much more usable. And not to mention that with the advent of 2-in-1 laptops, it kind of makes this form factor a little outdated. Because I mean, for example, the laptop, this isn't my main laptop, I use this for school, is this, the Acer Spin 1. And the Acer Spin 1 is a 360-degree 11.6-inch thing laptop. So at least for me personally, I find a two-in-one laptop to be much more useful than a tablet, because obviously you have the keyboard, you have your trackpad, but if you need to use it as a tablet, you can just go ahead and then flip back the display, and boom, there's your tablet. Now you can kind of compare the size. Obviously the iPad is smaller than the Acer Spin one, but at least for me, like just me personally, your taste can vary, but just for me personally, I prefer I think personally, I think tablets there's really not much use for a tablet. I think a two-in-one laptop just makes more sense. But anyway, like I said, this thing feels awesome, and this, yeah, I think this is just the gold. This is not it could be rose gold. I don't know. The lighting in my room isn't the best. So is this gold or is this rose gold? I have no idea. I don't know. If any of the comments, maybe you guys can tell me where this is gold or rose gold. Although, let me look at the box first. No, the box does not say. No, the box does not say what color this is. But I think this is just the standard gold. I think it's just the standard gold, though. Well, it could be rose gold. I don't know. But anyway, that's the unboxing. I'm not going to turn it on because it has to be charged up and stuff. But anyway, I thought, hey, this is a very cool unboxing. And, huge shout out to my uncle for sending this to my mom. So this way they can now talk to each other better. And now my mom also has a cool device. So anyway, thank you all for watching this surprise unboxing of the 6th generation base model iPad.